Hello, my name is Julia and this is Space Daily News channel. Cosmic rays are streams of charged particles, some of them with very high velocities and energies. They come from outer space and constantly bombard the Earth's atmosphere from all sides. More than 100 years have passed since their discovery, but they are still poorly understood. Cosmic rays are believed to carry tiny elementary particles with high energy, neutrinos. They do not change their direction of travel, do not decay, and are not absorbed by the interstellar medium. They can pass through the Earth's atmosphere and the Earth, and do not react to the magnetic field. These high-energy neutrinos are produced when protons collide with the nuclei of atoms of other particles. For example, when the rays pass in the vicinity of black holes, pulsars, or through our planet's atmosphere. Neutrinos are also produced by our Sun and even by the decay of radioactive elements inside the Earth. A neutrino has no charge, and its mass is about 1,000,000 times smaller than that of an electron. Neutrinos have virtually no interaction with matter, so they are extremely difficult to detect. Several decades ago, scientists discovered that when neutrinos pass through the Earth, they can interact with water molecules and, at a great depth, create streams of other particles, muons. By studying these streams, physics can determine their source and thus learn more about neutrinos. It is for this purpose the researchers built telescopes underwater. The large volume of water increases the space through which neutrinos can travel. To detect cosmic neutrinos, huge detectors are needed. The largest neutrino telescope to date, IceCube, is an array of optical detectors embedded in the thickness of Antarctic ice. It was launched in 2010 and has a working volume of 1 cubic kilometer. During its operation, IceCube allowed to create the first neutrino map of the Milky Way. Another large neutrino telescope is located in Russia, in Lake Baikal, Baikal GVD. It began operation in 2021 and is located at a depth of 1,200 meters. Last week it is known that China is going to build its own deep-sea neutrino telescope of the new generation. This was revealed by the Chinese scientists from Shanghai Jiaotong University. For the telescope, which was named Trident, has already chosen a place, the South China Sea. The telescope will be placed on a flat seabed at a depth of 3.5 kilometers. It is expected that the Chinese installation will consist of more than 24,000 optical sensors. For comparison, the IceCube has about 5,000 of them, located in 1,200 vertical garlands, 700 meters long each. These sensors will register the light emitted by muons. The working volume of the telescope will be about 7.5 cubic kilometers. It is expected that Trident will be 10,000 times more sensitive than the IceCube system. The lifetime of the installation is designed for 20 years, and it will be built by 2030. The main task of the Trident telescope is to study neutrinos coming to us from deep space. After all, they contain information about the phenomena and processes that generate them. So, studying these particles, you can learn about the origin of the universe, solve the mystery of cosmic rays and dark matter. Maybe it's neutrinos that make up the mysterious dark matter. Space Daily News, like, share and subscribe.